AI and tattooing. 1 million views? We gotta do a part 2, right? This is Midjourney, an AI program for designing. This is a 3D model arm. And these are Meta glasses from Ray-Bans. So part 1 of this video got over 1 million views. So today we're gonna do a part 2, but with a few changes. I'm gonna be designing using a 3D model instead of a 2D photo. And the only thing that I seem like I can't compete with AI no matter what I do is time. AI designs things in literally just seconds. But in this video, I'm also going to show you guys through these glasses. These glasses have a little camera that are built inside of, so you guys will be able to see exactly what I'm seeing as I'm doing. Oh yeah, and peep this. Come here. I'm gonna send $20 to the person with the best comment. So make sure you drop a comment below. Let's get into it. For the topic we're gonna be designing based off of, I made a raffle spinner that has a handful of different topics and themes. All right, so these are the 6 things that I put in this raffle spinner. These are kind of the themes I do most of, so this is what we're gonna base it off of. Horror, sports, movie, American, religious, and West Coast style. So these are all the different styles that we have to pick from. So let's let it spin and see what we gotta design around. All right, we're gonna do sports. So there you see it, sports. That's what we're gonna design around. That's what we're gonna plug into AI as well. All right, so I'm gonna switch over to my glasses and let you guys see more of a POV shot. All right, so now we're inside of Procreate. This is the 3D arm. This is something I did a little bit ago, just messing around, but yeah, so this is what we're gonna kind of turn this into. So we got the blank arm right here, and so now this is a little confusing, but if you guys want a longer video on like a tutorial on how to do this, just drop it in the comments and I'll do one on that too. So what you're gonna do is, instead of designing exactly on the arm, we're gonna go to this show 2D texture and we're gonna hit this. And I know this looks super weird, but this is how you have to design off of it. It's the only like thing I don't like about it, because it's a little confusing. You can't design directly on the arm, because this is what will happen if you design it directly on the arm. Let's say we take this picture of MJ, right? And you see how we can't really like move it or size it. Like we can size it a little bit, but it gets all really warped and everything, and you can't just do it normally. So how I like to do it is by doing it this way. So we go to 3D, then we show 2D texture. And what we do is we bring up that same picture from before. We take that MJ one. What I always do is I go to the brightness and the saturation. I turn that all the way down, and then I go to multiply. And then now we can design. So this is the arm part. These are the hands. And then this is like kind of like below like the wrist area and stuff like that. So we design straight on here, and it gives us a little bit more flexibility, so that when we go back and turn this off right here, we turn 2D off, now it looks a little bit more proportional, and we can still size it a little bit better compared to doing it directly on the arm. So now we just keep going back and forth and just slowly tweaking it, turning this back on and off until we get it how we want it. right, so now we're in Midjourney, the AI program for imagery. So I'm gonna take you through very quickly on how to use this. Like I said, if you want a longer video on like how to actually use it and how to set it up using Discord and everything like that, I know the gatekeepers are gonna be mad at me for trying to show it, but hey, we don't gatekeep over here. So we hop in here, and what we do is we type in the prompt of imagine, and then that brings up your prompt. So then from there you can just create whatever you want and ask AI to create pretty much anything you want with it. So we'll put in, let's see, we're doing a sports related tattoo, so we'll just keep it simple at first. We'll do Michael Jordan tattoo, arm sleeve, large scale, black and gray realism. At the front, we'll put create a. And so this is a paid subscription, so I think they have, it's like from $10 up to, I don't even know how much it can be, but you see where it says right here, waiting to start? This will start making like a percentage. And so right now it says 0% fast. This will slowly increase. And like you see right here, it's starting to generate 15%. The more you pay, I believe it goes like faster. I don't know if it's better quality stuff, but yeah. So like I said, this is hit or miss. I've had it happen great on the first try and then terrible. So sometimes I've had to try it like 20 or 30 different times. So this is what it created. Again, I think AI struggles the most with celebrities and like significant people. I mean, I put in Michael Jordan and this is what it came up with. Like if you see Michael Jordan here, you let me know, because I don't see Michael Jordan anywhere in this. I see random people. And this is what I mean. Like, this is why I think it still has a long way to go, because I don't understand how it can create like all these different like backgrounds and crazy, imagery, but it can't even do the simplest thing like pull an image from Google of Michael Jordan and then use that in it. I don't know. But it is wild to me. The craziest thing about it is how it makes it look like it's tattooed on them. Like, it doesn't make it look super corny, like it's just pictures on a person. It looks like it's been tattooed, and even like opaque grays. Like, it's wild. But and then from here you can take any of these images and you can upscale them, or you can like build off of them using these buttons right here. All these things around it, you see that it keeps popping up. This is just the Midjourney, like the actual bot creating random imagery, just to show you examples and stuff. But we're going to create another one. We'll keep it more simple and not use like people per se. So we'll do, let's see, imagine, create a full arm sleeve tattoo design of sports like basketball and soccer, black and gray realism only. Oh, we'll just keep it like that. So we'll try this again. And if I can't get something in the first couple tries, I'll probably cut it and just play with this for like 30 minutes on my own, and then just let you guys know what it ends up coming up with, just so that this video isn't like 45 minutes long. But you can see as it's like building it is pretty crazy to see, and how fast it generates things and everything. And like I said, I have like the lowest subscription. I think I pay $10 for this. Okay, let's see. So this is what it came up with. So again, don't know who these people are at all. But at least it got, oh no, it mixed the basketball with the soccer ball. Oh my gosh. So again, part of this could be just user error. Like I said in the first video, like I'm still trying to figure this stuff out too. I try and put simple prompts, but maybe you just have to be like super, super detailed. So let's try another one. Let's get more specific. So we'll say create a tattoo sleeve of black and gray realism using a photo of Michael Jordan from Google. So we'll see if it can actually pull from like another, site. But again, like stuff like this is something that AI generated. Like, I mean, that's sick, dude, So I think the opportunity for this is limitless, And again, this is the thing. Whenever people know that I use like, oh, I heard you like use a lot of AI and this and that. It's like, yes, I use it for like ideas or to play with or just to mess around with, but I never truly use it as like a copy paste thing because it's never going to be really accurate. Like I've seen it a few times with some of this like futuristic stuff that's pretty accurate, but not when it comes to tattooing. Okay, so this is closer. I don't know who these people are though. Like, and how does it come up with the Bulls part, but not actually Michael Jordan? So it has a Chicago Bulls jersey, but not Michael Jordan. It just has random dudes. And it even has like the skyline and stuff. Like, this stuff is so crazy, but so inaccurate sometimes. So yeah, I'm going to mess around with this for probably like the next 20 or 30 minutes, see if I can come up with something that's at least doable. But if not, I mean, I'm just going to post the best one and then let you guys pick in the comments who you think is best. Or, like I said earlier, $20 to the best comment. So come out with your jokes, come back with whatever you want in the comments, and might get yourself some $20. All right, so I played with this for like 30 minutes, and this is probably the best one it came up with. Again, the people don't know who they are. But, I mean, like I said, this is probably the best one it came up with. So this is the one I'm going to use and put in the video. If you guys have a better idea of how to use prompts for like using significant people in this, drop it in the comments. Please let me know because I can't figure it out. But yeah, like I said, this is probably the best one. Just from like the realistic standpoint and it getting like basketball players and kind of looking like a real collage sleeve that I would probably do something like. But again, the people, no idea. But yeah, you guys let me know. This is part 2 of me versus AI, and yeah, I think it failed miserably, but you guys let me know. I also tried something new with the 3D modeling, so who knows? Maybe you guys like that, maybe you guys don't. Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys on the next video.